Delhi farmer protest. Hello everyone. Now we are in a serious pandemic of COVID-19. We all know that lot of people under poverty line are severely affected due to jobless quarantine days. It is more difficult for all of us to just pause one day with lot of expenses. In this time, we should also think about the ones starving for food among the roads. Food, cloth, shelter are the three basic things that man should live with. But now the most serious issue in India made Indian farmers to give up those things and to be on road for days fighting for their justice. Farmers who provide the most essential food to the whole world are now suffering due to some serious bills passed by the government. First of all, we should also all get clarity that what is protest. Why do people protest? Is it the only way to get their justice? Not so ever. Actually, people won't protest against something internationally. They are meant to protest when their requests for their well being are rejected by the authorized of government. Okay, now let's come to our main topic. Nowadays, farmers protest mostly for their declining agriculture. In our Tamil Nadu, we experienced Jallikattu protest in Marina, Chennai. It was led by Tamilans for their tradition. But now in India, the capital of India is subjected to a great protest by the farmers for India, North India, because of the bills passed by the government. What are those bills? Yeah, we should learn about that. Since old days, farmers and the government of India had a strong relationship by the policy called MSP, which means minimum support price. What was its main purpose? Actually, all the crops that harvested by farmers cannot be sold by them. Some crops may remain. It will cause us losses of farmers and their hard work. That's why government would buy all those remaining crops at lowest price called MSP. But now, through these bills, Government of India are trying to help farmers by making business partnership directly with the private sectors. Maybe this will be used to farmers, but after few years, farmers will naturally lead to the poverty due to declining MSP. In order to maintain good relationship with government, farmers for Punjab and Haryana are migrate Delhi to fight for their justice because these are two states which use MSP mostly. This protest is continuing since 2 months. In this time, government of Delhi planned to stop them so they dig pit all over the roads. At least the farmer cleared to pit by throwing their shoes into the pit and making it as a bridge. Actually, we should all remember one thing that farmers are the back of India. They can do anything. By doing so, they continued their protest. On these days, they also carry the crops they harvested to prepare their food on the way. They led a mass kitchen by cooking and serving food to all other participating in the protest. The most important and recognizable one is they provide food to the police officers who stopped them against protesting. We should be proud of our farmers. Government took all steps to stop them. Police of Delhi use mass water cannons, but they can't resist them. We should also remember the protests led by our farmers years ago. They fought as half bonded, some as naked. Even some fought with human skill in their hands. Farmers are the good who offer us food to live. So we should stop them in this important crisis. They should get their justice. It's our duty to stand beside them. As a citizen of India, we should concern those things and create awareness among people to stay back to our backbones. Thank you.